Hello again, all my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. Welcome back to another episode of Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the syntax and arguments for various LSL commands for your quick reference. This week, since our project deals with a couple of types of loops, and I haven't covered those on Decoded yet, I think it's high time that I did so. We're going to start with the basic for loop, which is written out for, then you need a variable, usually represented as I, often as equals 0. You can fill in different things depending on what you're doing, as you see in several of my other tutorial videos. Then I is, and you have to have some comparison. I'm going to go with less than or equal to 10. And then you give I equals I plus 1. You also do have to declare the integer I into existence. Then you do a thing with the loop. In this case, we're going to go say on channel 0. And actually, because I'm kind of in an open sim environment, I'm not haven't checked to see if there's people around. We're going to change that to owner say. Variable I equals. And you always have to close out your strings, and if you want to add something else, use a plus sign. In this case, we're casting an integer into a string, that integer being I. Save. Pop over here. There you go. Variable I equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Obviously, that's not a particularly useful thing to do with a for loop, but it shows you the basics of how it works. It can be used for comparing different items on in an object's inventory. It can be used for going through and selecting a number of individual objects, like or another individual aspects, like the faces of an object, and treating them in certain ways. There's just a lot of different things you can do with it if you just need to process a set number of things in a specific way and then do something. You can set different, let's see, you can do it like if I is greater than 5, then do this. It will only give you 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can say if it's greater than 5 and I is less than 9. Run that again. You just get 6, 7, and 8. So basically you can use filters to control when actions are performed within the for loop, and the for loop just makes sure you're running through everything. It's good for comparing lists. That's actually the thing I personally use it for most often. But that there is how you go ahead and use a for loop. So that will wrap up this week's Coder Kitty Decoded. I do hope to see you back next week. Do check the description below for links to the playlists for Coder Kitty Decoded, as well as Coder Kitty's workshop, where every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson. Until then, I would say good day, good week, good luck, happy coding, and don't forget to check out the newest series, this one releasing on Thursdays, of Coder Kitty Reviews. Bye-bye for now. Meow.